This free tutorial will show you to make a transparent video for YouTube online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, the first step to create a transparent or make a transparent video for YouTube completely for free. Welcome, I'm your host, Circles and Squares Boys and Girls. Welcome back. Open up Adobe Premiere Pro. In this case, if you don't have it, you can go on their website, slap the download, it's free trial, or you can even download it permanently, but you have to pay for it. So once you have your video clip in Adobe Premiere Pro that you would like to make transparent, go to Effects, and if you don't have Effects, click Window, and click Effects, and click Effects Control. And then type in under Effects, Color, space key, under Keying, color key, click, hold, and drag onto your video clip. Notice it turns purple. Go to Effects Control, click the drop down arrow under color key and go to the right and click the eyedropper tool right here. Click somewhere on the video you would like to remove the color, and then under color tolerance, and click and dragging to the right. Edge thin, we're going to type in number 1, and then again drag to the right until you're happy with the desired effect. Now once you're happy with this and you want to transport this or export this as a transparent video, click Ctrl+M on your keyboard. Under the format, click the drop down arrow and click this option QuickTime, which is above Target and below PNG. And then preset, you want to be able to make sure that it's GoPro Signform RGB 12-bit with alpha at maximum bit depth if you want the highest quality possible. Save it under the output name, and then click export. And just to prove that this works, or should I say this is the before, and this is the after.